Hello friends, let us discuss about Google Sites. In this video, you will be learning what are Google Sites and how Google Sites are created. First of all, open this window, Google, and we will be typing Google Sites. Now you can sign in. If you are already having an account with Google Sites, you can sign in. Otherwise, for now only we will be using new Google Sites. Now this window will be there, so we will be starting with this blank site because we are going to start up with a new site. Now you will see this window. Now this is the interface that you will get. In this you can see this is the front page of your website. So here, starting from the left corner, you will have to enter the site name. For example, if you want to create a site for a specific course, you can give the name of the course. If I want to create a site of my profile, so I will be writing profile. I can add a logo. If I am connected to an organization, I can add a logo over here. Here now it is my personal site, so I will be writing my name. So you can drag it, you can increase the height, you can increase the width, how you are comfortable. So now I can make changes in this text. I can do it bold, I can go ahead with italic or simple. I can align the text, I can insert any link. If I am connected to any link, I can insert the link. Then I can make it a title or a heading. Now I will go with the title only because this is the title for my site. Now here I can change the image, the background that you are seeing, I can change that. I can upload a photo of my own from my computer, or I can select an image, whatever has been given in this specific area. So I can choose any of them. You can see quite a big list is there. So for now I am going to choose it. Select. See, now the background has been changed, so I can change the image. I can even reset it. I can change the header type also. So it will be adjusting according to the readability, so that your name, your text, that is readable. Next we are working in the insert tab. Now insert tab helps in inserting various things. It can help in inserting the text box, images, embedded. It can connect us to the drive as well. So if I talk about connecting the images, I'll click on the image. If I have an image, I can upload it, or I can select from here only. So I can go here with the images. Let's select from here only. By URL I can give an image from Google Image Search also I can do from here. I will click here on the photos. I'll take any of the photos of my computer. Let us take any photo. I'll take this for example. It will ask me to insert, so I will insert this photo. See, this photo has been inserted here. So it can be any tagline. My personal photo can be there because it's my profile page. So this is the idea I want to give whenever people open my website. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. So you can resize this image according to your requirement. Then we can, from the insert tab, we can insert a text box. This text box can be related to my personal details. For example, I will be writing what is my designation. I can write my subject. I can write the name of my institution. can give all the details. So I can make changes in this text as well. You can see above, I can do it bold, I can make it for heading size. For now I will make it a subheading only. I can do it italic, I can align it. From here you can see I can even duplicate this section, I can delete it, and I can select the section background also. Now we can make some more changes to make it creative. Like we have gone on the insert tab, now we can go on the themes tab. Themes tab will give you different type of themes. You can change the colors of your site. You can have different type of fonts. See, I'm making changes over here, and ultimately here it is getting changed. If I'll make change over here, see, you can just select any of the one, Aristotle, simple, whatever you like. So if you are making changes, it will be making changes to the front page of your website. So this was about the insert tab and about the themes. Talking about the third tab, that is pages. Now we have two options. Either we can have only single page in our website. The single page, you can give the details. For example, there is insert tab. We can insert different types of text over here. What type of text can be inserted? We can make use of image carousel. It is going to mix up various images. If you like, I have inserted one image. If you want to show one image, immediately next image is coming. So you can make use of this image carousel. As of now, I would like to show you this button. You have to insert a button. That button, for example, I will give name of the button. Now you can connect it with some link. You can create your educational qualification in the next page, and from there you can connect it. This is the use of this insert button. Like this, there are different types of. Now this is collapse site text. In this I'll show you how will it work. For example, I want to show the people my educational qualifications. So whenever they will press this, then only the box under this is going to open. Now I'll write here, for example, I am PhD in management, and second I can write MPhil in commerce, and then I can write MCom UGC, like that. So I can put it in the bullets also, and see, it will appear to the public like this, educational qualification. When they will click on this, then only it will be visible. So it is a very good way of presenting your website. See, our upper part is like that. Photo I have inserted, my designation, then qualification. Another option, we have this pages tab. What this pages tab will do, it will add pages to the website. See, now if I click on this pages tab, click on add, it is going to give you a new page. I am putting in the name of the page, extra curricular activities. Done. So you can see home page has been separated and another page, extracurricular activities, have been added. When I will click on it, people can go to my extracurricular activities page. This page also I will be creating. I can put any photo. If I am having good in sports or any photos, I can put here. Otherwise, again going to insert tab, I can add text over here, and I can write about my extracurricular activities, like in charge of National Cadet Corps, I will be writing like this. So whenever people will be opening this, they will be getting information about my extracurricular activities. Again, going to this page tab, I can add more pages. For example, achievements. So if I will do it done, it is going to add another tab. When people will open it, they will come on to my achievements page. So it will show them what achievements I'll have, because I will be recording all the achievements. So like this, you can add pages and you can create your own websites. Thank you.